Hello, everyone. It's Alicia Hurtt here, and I am here on real estate business, you guys. So this June, I need you to tune in, okay? So I am going to be doing a series called Sunshine and Sold. It's going to be summer home buying tips. So I'm going to talk through grant programs. Everybody wants a grant. I'm going to talk through credit. I'm going to talk through the entire home buying process, the pre-approval, home inspection, the offer, all the information that you need in order to purchase your home. So tune in. I'm going to have two ways that you can join. You can join via Facebook Live or via Zoom. I'm going to drop the link below. I'll see you then all month of June. Remember, it is just results. No judgment here. Take care.